Jeez. I was being really lazy yesterday, so I didn't take this piece off after I finished pulling the clip. So hopefully, I think I have all the spot welds off now. Hopefully we can actually be done with spot welds after this piece comes off for a couple of days. There we go. Hey, would you look at that? This piece actually isn't too terrible. Yeah, the outside is actually the worst part of it. Everything inside actually seems to have withstood time pretty well. There's a little bit of rust, but like, actually this piece of metal is pretty good. What's up guys? Welcome to a new video. Today, we're gonna try to fit the front clip that we got off yesterday onto the Skyline. I wasn't feeling so great after getting the front clip off last night. It's just been a whole lot of work, and I was hoping to feel a little bit more stoked with what happened. So today, to try to fill that sort of hole, I'm gonna try to get the front end onto the Skyline just so I can look at it as like a whole ass car with a front end again. Cause I think that'll fill the gap. That'll make me feel pretty accomplished, I think. Anyway, let's see if we can get this front clip onto the Skyline. Yeah, lift with your back. That's how you do it. Jeez. Come on. No freaking way. That worked. Wow. I got the transmission mount bolts in there. They're loose, but they're in there. The Skyline has front suspension on it. There was a big part of me that thought this would never like actually happen, and so we're doing it, man. It's happening. It's so sick. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Me and Samsquanch test fitted the hood, bumper, and fenders. It looks really good. The fenders fit up really well, and I think it's gonna work out. After taking a better look at this front clip, I feel a lot better about not completely tearing it apart and taking care of all of the rust. A lot of the rust that I was seeing while we were taking this stuff apart is pretty surface, so I'm starting to feel a lot more confident about kind of leaving this front clip more or less in the shape that it's in. That being said, I'd like to completely replace the rear wheel well piece on one side because it's very rusted out, and we have that same piece from the old front suspension, and we can just paste it over without too much of an issue. It's a little bit hard to put into words how freaking excited I am with this sight right here, man. This is like my favorite fucking car, and I'm so excited to bring it back. I'm gonna leave this video right here. In the next video, I'm gonna take this front clip off again, and we'll start to prep all of the surfaces to be welded on and rust treated. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for all the super nice comments. You guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll walk around this guy, try to get a couple of shots before completely end the video. Hope you guys really liked it.